Dubai is a city and Emirates in UAE, famous for a wide range of things. For example, luxury shopping, Burj Khalifa, and a very happening nightlife. You know what else it's famous for? Real estate. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of All About Real Estate. Today we will be discussing about why should Indians invest in Dubai real estate. Now the first thing coming into your mind would be why Dubai? Let me tell you. Dubai has been rated as the third most peaceful country in UAE and North Africa according to the newly released annual Global Peace Index. You know another best part of Dubai? You can compare the lifestyle with any part of the world. You'll find a mix of Eastern culture with the Western quality. You want to know how Dubai escalated its real estate market? They introduced RERA Act for the first time. RERA stands for Real Estate Regulatory Authority. So it was established on 31st July in the year 2007. The main purpose of RERA is to form, regulate and authorize the real estate industry in Dubai. Since the year 2007, they have taken the real estate industry to another level. The government has launched an app called Mashrui based on an Arabic word, with the help of which you will find all the registered properties on the app and all the details related to it. Fun fact. According to the data of 2016-2017, Dubai has declared India as one of the biggest investors by investing an amount of around 42,000 crores. List of reasons why you should invest in Dubai. Real estate industry is said to be transparent and secure. Second, they follow strict RERA laws. Third, the return on investment is in between 7 to 8%. There are tax benefits, easy access to properties, rental benefits, it's well-developed infrastructure, zero income tax, no capital gain tax, and the government provide currency appreciation when it comes to India. Also, they provide visa benefits and there is a spike in sales. Giant tech leap. Let's start with the first one, transparency and security. In order to fulfill this role and operate successfully and efficiently, it is important for real estate industry to maintain transparency. From regulatory framework to high-end market practices, it is important for a real estate company, industry or developer to have transparency. Allow me to quote the Gulf News article. Dubai is the most transparent of the 15 markets covered across the Middle East and North Africa and ranks in the semi-transparent category. There are a number of reasons why Dubai scores better. Number 1, the relatively well-developed legal and regulatory framework is one factor, with the Real Estate Regulatory Agency being widely acknowledged as the best-in-class real estate regulator in the region. Number 2, strict RERA implementation. In order to regulate real estate industry better, the government of UAE came up with the idea of RERA Act. As discussed before, maintaining a proper relationship between the tenant and the landlord is important in order to ignore disputes and petty disturbances during the transactions. The Dubai government makes sure that none of this happens under the regulations of the RERA Act. It is important for each and every investor to register themselves under the RERA Act in order to go forward with purchasing and transactions of the property. When you invest a certain amount on a property, you expect the property to pay you back over time. That we call it as return on investment. Dubai promises a return of investment of about 7 to 8%, and in future it plans to extend it to around 8 to 10%. Coming down to the fourth point, easy accessibility of the property. Dubai government has made it very clear and it is pretty straightforward that you just need to hold your valid passport in order to get into real estate. You don't need to be a resident or carry a resident visa. You just need to get in contact with the local real estate managers or agents and look for the properties that are suitable for you by following all the further formalities. Coming down to the fifth point, tax benefits. Now, I see a lot of confusion among people. They are confused whether it's true that Dubai doesn't have a property tax. Let me clear that. Dubai doesn't have a property tax. You just have to pay 4% of charges during you register for the property. Apart from that, once your registration is done and you've paid a certain amount of tax during the registration, there is no further tax to be paid to the government or anyone. Well developed infrastructure. When we talk about Dubai and we do not talk about its infrastructure, I think it's not fair. We all know that Dubai falls under the top categories of well developed infrastructure countries. This not only helps in booming the real estate industry, this also gives people an upstep in their lifestyle. I listed the few mainstream benefits that you get while you plan to invest in Dubai. I would also like to throw some light on the other points that the government of UAE provides when it comes to real estate. First, there is no income tax and there is no tax on capital gain. The government provides currency appreciation, new reforms when the real estate is booming. This is important because it's important to keep up with the trend, right? Thank you for staying with us for this long. I hope we were able to clear your doubts. I hope you guys are wearing your masks, staying inside your house. Stay safe, it's the priority right now. If you want to buy a house, do it virtually. Thank you.